Today I'm going to restart work on the Mini Moke. As you can see, it's been hanging here for quite some time since we looked at it last. Project World's Cheapest Mini Moke. So we're going to get it down from here, get it on its side. Today I'm going to try and get the underside off. Here's the new panel that we're going to replace it with. Can't imagine I'm getting that in anytime soon, but I've got to get the old stuff off first. So let's get into it. So we're looking to cut that bottom panel out today, see what we can achieve. Okay, so I've just marked up with a can of paint where I don't want to cut through. Otherwise it's fair game.
I wonder if that's just a piece, an infill.
Yeah.
That piece there on its own. Because look, that piece there.
Yeah, it's slightly higher.
That piece there, they're not actually in line. Unless that was a. Oh no, it can't be.
Yeah, maybe it's had a.
It could be a previous repair.
Could be.
But then that looks like factory spotted there. Look.
Yeah. No. No, it's factory, isn't it?
Yeah. I just wonder if that's not just a little corner panel.
Yeah. Still waiting for that sponsorship from Yorkshire Tea, but we'll take it when it comes. Yeah.
How's it going?
Just thinking about how it goes back. I think the toe board goes over the floor, doesn't it?
More than likely, yeah.
So I've got to get that off.
Yeah. But that's kind of holding stuff together, and it's a good reference point for the time being.
Yeah. What I was thinking is I don't need to be too precious about how I cut this out, because it's all coming off anyway.
So for instance here, like,
you
could just cut straight down through there, because that bit's already existing on the other piece.
Yeah.
So you don't really care about that, because what you want to do is get rid of that, yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
And that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Someone had, I think they're established already, but someone at some point decided it was a good idea to fiberglass the floor, and all they've done is fiberglass all the rotting, trapped any more water and moisture, and it's just ruined the floor. Instead of doing it properly like what we're doing now, it was obviously an easier option to put what's that, 5-6 mil fiberglass in the whole floor of the car. I guess it got it through an MOT a few times or kept it on the road a little bit longer. No one thought these cars weren't designed to be around for 40 years. This one will be though, have another 40 years once this is done. Patch out. I'm probably going to cut up to where this kind of line is here, just because it's all got. This needs cutting out anyway. If I don't cut up to here, I've got to plug weld all these, and I'll end up with a piece about here anyway. So we decided, cut all the way to this line, cut it out. I can get a shop roper to cut that size, plus the right angles bend on, and then I can put one piece in nicely. To put a notch in the swage and vinyl knots, do rare, using that's for water tray. Let water out of companion bins into the car, and then it can roll out that way. So I'm going to measure it out first. I'm going to trim that one like I've trimmed this one, so we've got room to rolls. And then I can get these pieces ordered tomorrow, hopefully. I have some metal going back in at the end of the week. So that's it. Exciting, wasn't it?
Go. Not much left of this now, is there?
Not really.
Nice.
Yeah, a little clean up.
And a welder can't fit.
That's another step closer to saving this little Mini Moke. There's a few more videos coming, and I hope you'll stick with us. Thanks for watching the channel. Please like and subscribe. If you've got a classic you're proud of and would like to be on Reader's Drive, drop me a message. You could be our next feature. We'd love to see you. If you're either in the south of France or in West Yorkshire, message us. See you next time.